Hi everyone, I miss you. I know that it's been a while since I've been on and I apologize, but I figured COVID cooking is the time to come back online and reach out to everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make vanilla from scratch. I'm going to come at you with other recipes that are going to be helpful in these times, hopefully. I am praying for our planet, for all of our human family, and for yours. We've got a bottle of vodka. I picked potato vodka from Trader Joe's, but because we're trying to be gluten-free here, but you can pick whatever type of vodka. 750 milliliter bottle would be ideal. This is 80 proof potato vodka, which makes it gluten-free. And then I was able to order this online. I learned something new when I ordered these because I used to get these moist, delicious vanilla beans that I would split in two from Costco. And I learned that there's an A and a B grade of vanilla bean. These are from the Vanilla Bean Kings. This is Tahitian vanilla that I was able to find on Amazon. So B grade vanilla is drier and better in your extractions to make vanilla extract, of course. And you can gift these to friends. We use vanilla so much in this house that I don't even have the time to gift it. If someone comes over and loves it, then I'll give them a little bottle that I've recycled. So in case in these times that you are suffering from parenting, please go Google that video. You can take out a shot of vodka because it might overflow if you don't. So before you put it into the vodka, you want to split the beans so you can hear it almost scraping, and you can see these beautiful, these are the seeds that make up, if you focus right there, you can see all the seeds make up what you see in real vanilla ice cream. So when you get those beans, those real vanilla bean ice cream, that is what you're getting. And it's gonna be extra delicious, and it's gonna turn brown pretty fast when you make your own vanilla. It's fabulous, we love it. You can split it all the way down to the end so you get the most amount of beans. Then you can do anywhere between 8, and I did wash my hands in case any of these fall out, between 8 and 10 beans right into the bottle, or 8 to 12 depending on what you like. And they're gonna be in there for a solid 6 months. You're gonna see that you can probably start using this after a month. These ones are kind of moist still, but a little bit drier than the A variety. This is done. I can even add a little bit more vodka back into it because I'm not a big vodka drinker. You can add it all the way up to the top. For those of you who don't drink alcohol, when you cook with this, the alcohol should burn off. So what are we gonna do with these vanilla beans once we are done? We do not throw them away, no we don't. You can look up some recipes online for vanilla bean paste, which is very expensive. You can boil these to make vanilla bean paste. They'll be a little, you'll let them dry out. We're gonna grind them in a coffee grinder or spice grinder to make vanilla powder. And I used vanilla powder recently in a chia pudding recipe, which was really delicious. And if you like vanilla sugar, you can put one of these bean pods into your sugar and you'll end up with vanilla infused sugar, and it's really delicious. And you can use 1, 2, just don't throw them away. They're not cheap. You can still find them on Amazon. You don't have to wait. There's still things that you can have delivered. I hope this video was informative. The next video is going to be about what to do with a bumper crop of lemons if you have a lemon tree, or if you have a neighbor with a lemon tree. And I hope you are all sharing your food. If you have your own garden and bounty and you're just not eating it all, or that you're on Nextdoor or some other social media and you're thinking, wow, all my neighbors have all this food, why aren't we sharing? Talk to your cities, talk to your governments. Go into those city hall meetings and say, we should be able to grow our own food. Food insecurity is coming for all of us. I don't want to scare anyone, but we should be able to plant our own gardens, even if it's just on our balconies. And I hope you are doing well. I hope you're safe. I hope your families are doing well. And I'm going to be coming up with more COVID cooking recipes and things you can make from scratch, especially if you're running out of things, and things you can substitute that maybe other people haven't thought of. You know, everybody's looking for flour, but maybe people aren't buying spelt flour. Maybe people aren't buying einkorn flour. And there are other things that you can substitute and look for. I'll put some links below for companies that I'm using that still seem to have supplies, like Thrive Market, and what else have I been using? Naked Wines and some other fun places that you can still buy things that aren't necessarily price gouging. So stay safe, stay well, and hopefully you will be out of quarantine before your vanilla is ready. But you can certainly start using it once it starts turning brown if you are in a pinch. Have a great day. Stay safe and healthy.